I stand in front of the ATM. I stand in front of the ATM. I insert my card. I insert my card. I choose a language. I choose a language. I select an amount. I select an amount. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I take the money. I take the money. I take my card. I take my card. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I count money properly. I count money properly. I put money in my wallet. I put money in my wallet.